Hi, I'm Brendan from Graco. I'm going to show you how to assemble your Graco Table2Table Lux Highchair. Before we start, make sure you have your seat base and back, 8 leg pieces and footrest and table tray. Start with the seat base upside down. Match up each upper leg piece with the correct spot in the base. Simply push to snap the legs into place. Next, add footrest in between the 2 front leg slots. To complete leg assembly, screw the lower legs onto the top legs. Check to make sure legs are tightened. Flip Highchair over and place on the ground to get ready to add the seat pad. Screw 4 caps onto the bottom of the tray. Before putting the seat back on, add the foam seat pad onto the base of the seat. Check that the crotch strap is through the opening in the seat pad. Add the foam seat pad to the back of the Highchair prior to adding onto the base of the chair. Push the seat back down into place until it locks. Check that it is attached by pulling up on it. Secure the harness onto the seat back in the desired slot. Make sure the tray insert is properly attached to the tray before squeezing the 2 handles on the sides and sliding onto the desired position on the Highchair. Check that the tray is properly installed by pulling on the tray. To adjust the tray, squeeze both handles on the bottom of the tray and push towards or away from seat until it is in the desired position. Before using, double check that harness is secured by pulling on it. Adjust to fit the child by using the slide adjuster on the shoulder, waist, and crotch straps. To use as an infant Highchair, simply recline by squeezing the handle on the top of the seat back and pulling. If your child is able to sit upright unassisted, you can use it as a baby Highchair in an upright position. Adjust the seat back to an upright position by squeezing the recline handle and pushing forward. Now your Table2Table Lux Highchair is fully assembled and ready to use.